Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the story Panchlight. It is written by a Hindi writer Phaniswar Nath Renu and translated by Raksanda Jalil. Panchlight means lamp and it's an advanced form of a kerosene lamp which is attached with paraffin and a hand pump, and you will find that this lamp has become the central character in the story, or you can say it has become a symbol of prestige. The whole narrative of the story revolves around this punchlight. About the author, Phanishwar Nath Renu, a modern Hindi writer, was born in Bihar in 1921 and died in 1977. He is the author of Mela Achal, which after Premchand's Godan is regarded as the most significant Hindi novel. He gave local touch to Hindi literature by introducing the Anchalik Katha regional story into Hindi writing. Renu portraits a rural world that is illiterate, poverty stricken, superstitious, and God fearing, and all you will find in this story. The 2017 Bollywood film Punchlight is also based on his story Punchlight. It means this story Punchlight is adapted into a Bollywood film Punchlight. You can watch this on YouTube. Introduction to the story. Punchlight is a psychoanalysis of human behavior. In this story, the narrative of the story revolves around the arrival of Punchlight patromats on the occasion of Ram Navami by Mehato Toli. It's a caste-based group in the village of a dark village in rural Bihar, as the story belongs to the rural Bihar. The punchlight proves to be a boon for whole village, and it's a boon especially for Godhan, who becomes the hero in everyone's eye by lighting the punchlight, because nobody knows how to light this punchlight. The innocence and simple mindedness of the villagers could be observed through the superstitions which surround the lamp and their subjection to modern technology. In this story, you will find the innocence and simple mindedness of the villagers. How innocent, how simple they are, and they are superstitious also. That's why they take this punchlight as a symbol of prestige, and they want to use it. Before using it, this punchlight, they want to worship it actually, and they don't know how to light this lamp. This shows that they are not technically experts. Major characters in this story, you will find the main character Sarpanch, the chief of the Mehatotoli, who carried punchlight to the village. It is Sarpanch who carried this punchlight. Godhan, a young man from the Mehatotoli, and he is banished for his misbehavior with a village girl. Munri, heroine of the Mehatotoli, who told Kaneli about Godhan's skill of lighting punchlight. Gulri Kaki, she is a leading light singer and Munri's mother, who invites Godhan for dinner. And secretary, a member of the Mehatotoli. Other members of the Panchayat are Agnu Mehato. He is also called orderly. He is a worker who carries punchlight on his head. Futangi Jha, a member of the Brahmin Toli. Rudali Saha, he is a shopkeeper. Kaneli, he is Munri's friend. In this story, you can find the question on image and symbol. As you know, Phaniswar Nath Renu is famous for establishing discourse for Hindi writers to depict a realistic portrayal of the village life in its entirety. He is famous to depict the realistic portrayal, means the real image of the village life in its entirety. So, in this story, also, he tries to develop or he tries to portray that realistic image. There are 8 panchayats in the village, one for each community. All the panchayats have their own dairies, jajims, mats, and petromax lamp, which the villagers call the punchlight, symbol of prestige. After buying the punchlight, the panchayat members decided to buy offering for puja with 10 rupees that were left over, for it would be the most inappropriate to use a technical object with nuts and bolts without first having it suitably blessed, because these people are quite superstitious, so they think that it's inappropriate to use a technical object without worshipping. The climax of the story is no one knows how to light the punch light, and the villagers are caught in catch 22. They are in trouble. Now, the writer Renu depicts the anxiety and impending dishonor and humiliation the Mahato Toli is bound to face if a member of rival Toli lights their punchlight. If other Toli's member lights their punchlight, so it's a matter of dishonor for this Mahato Toli. However, an anticlimax happens also when the chief said, why quibble our banishment from the community's honor is at stake? And Godhan restores the honor of the Toli by lighting the punchlight with coconut oil. The troupe of singers finished one song and launched into loud cries of jubilation, victory, long live, every leaf and twig on every plant, and bus was trembling with happiness. In this way, you will find the writer has depicted the real image of the innocent villagers, their superstitions and submission for technology, and the whole story revolves around the punchlight, which is a symbol of honor and prestige. Central theme of the story. You may find a question on the central theme of the story. So the theme of the story is theme of honor, individual versus collective. You will find that in this story there is the theme is honor. Sometimes it's individual or sometimes it's collective. So there is a conflict or juxtaposition of individual versus collective honor. The writer Phanishwarnath Renu quite cleverly juxtaposes the two. Godhan, the young man of the Toli who is ostracized and socially expelled, is guilty of defying the individual honor of Gulri Kaki's daughter Munri and the collective daughter of the Toli. She is the collective daughter of the Toli, but individually her honor is defied by Godhan, and he is ostracized, expelled for that. However, this individual honor is abandoned or rather pushed aside when the collective honor of the Toli is at stake, because nobody knows how to light the punchlight, and if the member of another Toli lights their punchlight, so it's a matter of humiliation for them, it's a matter of dishonor for them, because only Godhan has the expertise to light the punchlight, and eventually the collective honor of the Toli prevails over the individual honor. All the members of the panchayat spoke in one voice, all right, let the ban be lifted from Godhan, and he lights the lamp and saves the honor of his community. I have taken this story from the Literature and Language Part 2, written by edited by Jabir Hudda and Randeep Rana. It is published by Orient Black Swan in 2015. So dear students, read full text for enjoying the